Hello everyone, hi, it's Lana's story time, yay! So today's book is Dinnertime! And this book is written by Weld and it is illustrated by Carrie Argent. Okay, so shall we take a look at the cover of the book really fast? Okay, so here we see two different kinds of animals, right? So who do we have? Oh, here we have a fox, right? And here we've got rabbits, right? And these rabbits, are they skinny or are they fat? Oh, I think they are pretty fat, right? So here we've got two fat rabbits. Okay, shall we get started? Here we have a scarecrow. All right, so here, can you see? Perfect, okay. So, 6 fat rabbits doing what they please. Shall we try to find 6 rabbits here? Here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and where's the last one? Ooh. Oh, yeah, the 6th one right here on the scarecrow, right? So here, don't see the fox sneak out of the trees. They were playing on the field, so they didn't notice that fox is trying to catch them. And the fox is chasing them now. So, run, fat rabbits! Run, run, run! Or the fox will eat you one by one. And they heard dinner time. Okay, now how many rabbits do we have? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? We've only got 5 rabbits here. So 5 fat rabbits climbing up to play. Don't see the fox hiding in the hay. Where's the fox, everyone? Where's the hiding fox? Yeah, right here. The fox is hiding. And now he's trying to chase those rabbits, right? Trying to chase them. Run, fat rabbits! Run, run, run! Or the fox will eat you one by one. And they heard dinner time! I wonder who's saying dinner time. And now we've got 4 rabbits, everyone. Here we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? So 4 fat rabbits leaping all around. Don't see the fox jump up from the ground. Ooh, this fox is trying to chase them again. So, run, fat rabbits! Run, run, run! Or the fox will eat you one by one. And they heard the sound, dinner time! And now here we've got only 3 rabbits left, right? So 3 fat rabbits away from their burrow. Don't see the fox spring up from the furrow, right? Oh my gosh, the fox is right here. Hey, be careful, rabbits. Run, fat rabbits! Run, run, run! Or the fox will eat you one by one. And they heard the sound, dinner time! And what's fox doing, everyone? Do you think he's sleeping? Oh, I don't think so, right? So 2 fat rabbits, 1 and 2, right? 2 fat rabbits playing hide and seek. Ready or not, here I come, right? Don't see the fox pretending he's asleep. Ooh. Oh, and now the fox is trying to chase them, right? So, run, fat rabbits! Run, run, run! Or the fox will eat you one by one. And they heard the sound, dinner time! Oh, here we've got only, how many rabbits do we have left? Here we've got only 1 rabbit left. Oh no! 1 fat rabbit all on its own, out in the dark, a long way from home. Oh no, I wonder if it's lost or not. Run, fat rabbit! Run, run, run! Or the fox will eat you. Oh, little one, run! And he heard the sound, dinner time! I wonder where it's going though. Quick, 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 little rabbit. Don't be slow. Get down with the others. It's safe below. Wow, we found all of those other rabbits, right? And he also heard dinner time. That was Mommy Rabbit who keeps saying dinner time, right? So 6 fat rabbits eating cabbage rolls listen as their mother scolds. How many times do I have to say? When it's dinner time, come straight away. Okay, you gotta stop playing and come straight away to home. Now these 6 fat rabbits, they are sleeping in their bed, nice and cozy. What about this little fox? He's going back home. He couldn't catch any of those rabbits, right? So that's the end of the story. I hope you guys liked it. If you liked it, please do 구독, 좋아요. Good. All right, bye. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.